how to make everyone can see your about on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make everyone can see your about on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find account and then privacy, and here you will find this one about, and as you see here you can just click everyone, click on it and click done. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.